Yo, what's going on, boys? Had someone in a recent video ask me to make a video explaining my strategy and showing what my entry points are, daily bias, everything like that. I basically just trade the 10 a.m. Powell model, but if I see the setup happen before 10 a.m, I'll still take it, and then I make a few slight adjustments to fit my trading. So I thought I'd make a video based on yesterday, using yesterday's price action, explaining and portraying my strategy. So I'd always get on the charts about 15 minutes before market open, just so I can chart out, see what I want to see happen. If we head over to the weekly, we had weekly lows right here that I wanted to see get targeted. Head over to the daily, figure out my bias. So we can see we're rejecting out of this daily gap. We have weekly lows, so I definitely want to see some sort of move down with market open. A 4-hour PDA right here, but could be a bit overextended because we didn't actually hit it yesterday during New York AM session. But yeah, basically now I've figured out my bias, what I want to see get swept. I'll head down to the lower time frames. Obviously I'll do some more charting, look for 30-minute gaps, 1-hour gaps, but now I've figured out my bias, I'll just see what happens with market open. Market opened, we came down, swept out all of the 1-hour lows, swept out the weekly low. So we definitely had a chance to get some sort of reversal. Then my entry point would be looking for a higher time frame PDA, so I'll look for like this, for example, 4-hour fair value gap. We tap into it. I'll then be looking for a rejection block to form out of the fair value gap. So we head down to the 3-minute. You can see we sweep out these lows, also tapping into the 4-hour fair value gap. We then form a rejection block, mark out the rejection block, find where our draw of liquidity would be. We have a 15-minute unfilled here that we could trail to, but I don't think it went that high. We then have a 3-minute unfilled, and we're taking a 3-minute rejection block, so I could try to target that. Price came straight up to the 3-minute without a retest, but then now we've retested out of this range, hit this range, we got a rebalance of this big dump. Then we can keep looking for continuation shorts from this point on, because we never retested this rejection block. So my thought process was, let's try retest that rejection block. So right here we can see we're rejecting out of a 1-minute PDA. We're rejecting out of a 1-minute fair value gap. We close bearish, so that means it's a bearish rejection block. You then mark out from the high to the low. You can see the 0.79 and 0.79 and 0.705 range lands right here. Put a few points below just in case you don't get tapped in. Short position. Then you could have a 10-point stop loss, but a 10-point stop loss would be at the CE. So I normally go, this is where my strategy is a bit different to Powell's, because he has a 10-point stop, but I like to have a little bit more wiggle room just in case. Then you target a 1 to 6 risk to reward. Enter in your position right here. You'll be risking $100 for... Be risking $91 for 550. Sell that. Head down to the 1-minute. See how it plays out. We get filled in by the 0.79 range, and then it dumps to full take profit. Then for the bullish example, this one actually got reswept. We reswept it, but then we remade another 1-minute rejection block right here. We reswept this liquidity, creating another rejection block. So we have another valid rejection block. mark out from the high to the low, the low to the high, sorry, now, because it's a bullish rejection block, because it closed a bullish candle, whereas the other one closed a bearish candle. 0.705 range, couple points above, just in case you don't get tapped in. That's again what I do. Tight stop loss at the low of the rejection block, targeting a 1 to 6 risk to reward. Enter in your buy position. Risking $70 to make 440. You get tapped in by the CE of the rejection block. Touches CE, perfectly aligns with 0.705 and 0.79, and then rips straight to full TP. Hopefully that helps you understand my strategy and how I trade. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'll make a video on it.